Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change password on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you forgot your Samsung password and I want to change it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change password on Samsung, all you just need to is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and then locate and click on lock screen and AOD. Once you click on lock screen and AOD, locate and click on secure lock type. Once you click on your secure lock type, go ahead, type in your current password or current PIN and click on continue. This is going to open secure lock type on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now to change your password on Samsung, click on password. Then go ahead, type in your password. As you can see, your password must contain at least 4 characters, including at least 1 letter. So go ahead, type in your password. You can check the password to confirm. Click on continue, then confirm the password again and make sure both passwords match. Click on OK. Then you should see your lock screen password change. If you try to close your Samsung phone and then unlock your Samsung phone, then you'll be prompted to type in the password. So go ahead, type in the new password you changed to and then click on done. If the password matches, then you should see your Samsung phone unlocked. So that is exactly how to change password on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.